headstand, maybe some of you will do headstand like this. Bring the weight to the front head this way. Maybe some of you bring the weight back. Never pronounce Shirshasana. It is Shah. Namaste to all yogis. I welcome you again back to this YouTube channel, P.H.D Yoga. Today practice you cannot skip. Why? Because today asana is called King of all asana. Whatever practice you have done so far, this is the finest asana that you are going to learn, because this asana is called King Asana. Those who heard this phrase, King of all asana, they maybe understand what I am talking about. Then yes, those who are new, they will also understand now. I am talking about Shirshasana. To complete this asana, this is not only the one and last video that you will be looking. I am making a series how to lead the body to this particular asana, and you will be learning and doing step by step. You don't need to jump to the final pose. You need to take a goal, make a steps, and then slowly each step you will build, and that's how you are going to learn. So the first today class will be preparatory practices, where I will teach you how to prepare the neck, because this is Shirshasana. It means you are standing on the head. It is called headstand. So I'll be preparing you that how to train the neck, which are the body area that in Shirshasana we are using the most. With this series, I'm trying you to understand that go beyond the asana and understand what is the main purpose of this particular asana, which is Shirshasana. Let's begin the practice. Before we move forward into the physical practice, I want you to understand what is Shirshasana and how to pronounce the asana. If you don't know how to pronounce correct, you will not be able to create the atmosphere around this asana. It's like same. Imagine that you have a friend and you want to call your friend. You want to speak correctly the name of this particular person, right? And you want even your name to be pronounced correctly. Similarly, think that asana is a person. It is not something just you're doing. It's a person. You want to call it first. So right name plays very important role. The word has energy. Okay. So when you correctly pronounce the word, it creates the energy and it helps you to build the particular pose in asana series. So when we say Shirshasana, it is not Shirshasana. Okay, never pronounce Shirshasana. It is Sha. When the tongue, the side of the tongue touches the upper palate, sh, when you make a sound of sh, Shirsha, Shirsha, Sasa. There are three types of Sha in Sanskrit we have, and all these three types of Sha we are pronouncing in this particular asana. The first one is Sha, second is Sha, third is Sa. So Shirshasana. You can repeat few times to understand and get the clarity about this pose. So many of us, what we think, we just do the practice. It is not about that. Learn properly, understand the meaning, because Shirsh means top, Shirsh means peak, Shirsh means head, Shirsh means nothing. Okay, so Shirshasana, this is the first thing. Now, so Shirshasana, when we understand, it means it's something with a head. So this is the inversion pose, inverted asana, in which you are balancing on your head. So when we say balancing on the head, it means what? It means you are just going opposite and balancing on the head. So that is called balancing, headstand. But there are many series, many variations of the headstand, and with me in this particular series, you are going to learn Salambha Shirshasana. Salambha means what? Salambha means supported. You have seen that many Shirshasana is like this, when you interlock the finger and balance. Many Shirshasana you saw when the tripod, when the hands are touching the floor and then you are balancing. Some of the Shirshasana when the hands are side and balancing. There are many variations. But this one is Salamba Shirshasana, when you are interlocking the fingers and using the forearm to support in this inversion asana and still balancing on the head. I want to teach you that preparation, how to prepare. When you're balancing on the head, your neck will be actively using, shoulders actively, because weight comes to the shoulder, this, and the third major area is your navel. These are the three major areas you need to train before you go for Shirshasana. The head, because you are balancing on this, shoulder, because shoulders carries the weight of the body, and shoulders doesn't allow the weight to come to the neck. This is the second major part. And the third is your navel, the center, lower back, this area. Why? Because the lower back is responsible for a straight line of the body. And if you don't know how to work with the lower back and the center core, you will never be able to make a straight Shirshasana. You will make like a banana Shirshasana. And I don't want this. I don't want you to perform wrongly. No. So let's begin the preparation part. Now we will begin to understand the first area of the body which we are using in Shirshasana, that is the head area, including the neck. To begin with, we will learn where the weight should be. There are three areas that you might bring the weight during the Shirshasana when you do. Maybe some of you will bring the weight here when you do headstand. Maybe some of you will do headstand like this, bring the weight to the front head this way. Maybe some of you bring the weight back. Maybe some of you center. How to understand the weight where it should be? To understand that, you need to learn one technique here. Understand, Shirshasana is a reverse samasthiti, reverse tadasana. Okay, means when you are standing straight by keeping the chin parallel to the ground and having a space, nice space between the chin and the collarbone. This is Shirshasana in reverse. Now, how the head position should be. In Shirshasana, first learn. Place the forefinger, find the collarbone here, place the forefinger top here and then touch the chin, top, this. So chin will touch the top of the index and the small finger will touch the top of the collarbone here. And this is how you will understand where the weight will come. So you place the hand like this, or maybe ask your friend to place the hand on the top of your head, and wherever you feel that feeling, that will be your Shirshasana standing area. So that is first thing. Second thing, when it comes to neck, because when I say place it this, it means the neck will be centrally adjusted during Shirshasana. When you don't do this action, you will be maybe giving pressure to some of the vertebrae of the neck. Don't do this. Neck preparation. How to understand my neck is strong or not. So first few practice you need to do to keep in the mind that you can understand that I can carry the weight. So I'll give you one practice to see that are you ready or not. The first thing that we will do is, I want you to come to the Vajrasana like this, okay, and then I want you to touch the hands on the floor and touch the same feeling as we understood, touch the head here, and then after that you lift the knee and find and stay like this and stay at least 1 minute in this pose to check that how much you can stay this, but the weight should be the center area where you just recently checked. And with this position, stay here for a minute to check that are you able to do or not, and then slowly down, relax, few seconds, just stay here, maybe 15-20 seconds with closed eyes, and then come up. So this practice you will do, and to see that how much you can carry the weight, can you do or not. And if you can do this without feeling strain or pain, then you are ready to prepare the neck for headstand. It means you are ready to do the headstand. You are ready to attempt this pose. But if you cannot stay in this pose even, and if you feel pain on the neck, especially in this area, upper area of the neck, it means right now you should just do some basic exercise, which I will teach also by the way, and prepare the neck for that. Second practice to check that my neck is ready or not is now again the same pose, Vajrasana. You come to the same, go down, hand will be touch the floor, place the head again, the same head where the weight should be, lift up. Now hands back here and stay, try to shift the weight and open the leg like this. Now when you open the leg, shift the weight one side, for example right side, and stay again 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, shift the weight to the left side, stay 1 minute, move the shoulder away from your neck and stay. And then again after 1 minute, hands down, come to center, rest and go down, relax again for 1 minute, then come up. So this is how these two practices I want you to do today, and do this for few days to understand and to bring this kind of feeling for your neck, that you are going to learn something which may be hard for your neck at first time. So this is a preparation also, the first preparation for the neck, and this how you will understand that you can do or not, and then we will go step by step to build up. Try these two exercises today and check can you do this or not, and then I will see you in the next video where we will build the three area we will work. This area, upper, head and neck, the shoulder preparation and the core, including the lower back preparation. Check. But first thing very important, those who have any neck issue, any neck pain, cervical issue, try not to do this, or maybe go to some teacher who can, or someone who can help you to stay, and that's how you can build. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe and you can get the new videos like this, so you can build your practice with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment and share this video if you think that it's beneficial for a few more, maybe your friends. Take care. I'll see you next video. Namaste.